In this video, we're going to discuss how to use Nomad for remote video editing. Nomad is the remote editing tool included with EVO that helps creative teams work from anywhere. It's part of the award-winning EVO Suite and comes included for unlimited users. Before we jump into Nomad, let's make sure that Slingshot, EVO's built-in transcoder, is working in the background to transcode our footage into lightweight proxy files for offline editing. I can see here that preview and edit proxy generation are both enabled. For more information on the difference between these two proxy types and EVO's other transcoding features, check out our Slingshot page at snesevo.com/slingshot. Now that we confirmed EVO is automatically transcoding our media, let's gather our proxy files for offline editing. You can gather your proxies with Nomad remotely over a VPN connection like SNS Cloud VPN securely, or from your local network in the office. Once you have what you need, you can take your workflow completely offline from there. Here is the main Nomad page. To start, choose a source. We can choose a folder, a share browser bin, or a Premiere Pro project as the source. I'll choose a Premiere project for this example. Next, choose where we want the offline copies to go. For example, an external hard drive, cloud storage location like Dropbox and EVO Cloud, or a local destination on our workstation. I'll pick a local project folder and click Start. As you can see here, my video files have both preview and edit proxies, so Nomad defaults to my ProRes edit proxy. If a proxy file is not available, like for these audio files and images, you can tell Nomad what you'd like to happen in your settings. You can opt for source media if a proxy is not available, or have Nomad ignore all proxy types if you'd rather work offline in full res with original source media. Next, click Start Job. Now we just wait for the project to arrive on my local machine, and then we can take our workflow offline. Let's open up that Premiere project that's been brought down to my local machine. We're going to attach proxies for our offline files, so we can ignore the prompt about missing media and continue into the project. Select all of the media in the Projects tab, right-click, select Proxy, and Attach Proxies. Select one of the clips and click Attach. Now navigate to the destination where Nomad put all our proxies. Choose the proxy with the corresponding name and click OK. Because Nomad retains the folder structure for our proxies, Premiere will link the rest automatically. As we make our offline edits, we might add new media to the project. I'll add those files to the project folder, but they could be anywhere across my machine. I'll import this new media into Premiere, add them to my sequence, and finish my edit. Now I'm ready to upload my final project back to EVO. Since I used Nomad to retrieve my Premiere project and its associated media proxies, I can use Nomad Delta to sync my changes back to EVO. When we're connected to EVO, open Nomad Delta and select the original project that is on EVO. Then select the edited Premiere project here. Then tell the system where we want the new media in our edited project to be uploaded. Nomad Delta will identify what new media has been added compared to the original project file, and will upload that new material to EVO, avoiding duplicate clips. Nomad Delta retains the new media's file structure on EVO, so you may need to relink a clip, but it should find the rest based on that. Now that the project is back online, my team can continue editing right where I left off, or I can conform to the original media and export. Nomad is part of the award-winning EVO Suite and comes included with EVO for unlimited users. Learn more about remote video editing at snesevo.com.